Hi, everybody. I'm holding a guitar seminar one of the Sundays. Please check the date. And this is going to be exciting, but I'll try to cover everybody all at once, which is very challenging. And you wonder how I would do it. First, I'll talk about the different chords for different people because G chord or C, D, or any other chords, well, 1,000 different ways to press the chords. And so I'll show the general things. For example, if you have a big fingers, thick fingers that just happen to cover multiple strings, sometimes you just gotta focusing on essential notes that is playing. So the G chord, you want to play G note, and everything else, if it doesn't play, you can get away with it. But if you happen to press that and then everything you press the wrong note or focusing on other notes, then it doesn't sound like a G. So I'll be explaining what it means to have a certain size of fingers, physical challenge versus your string, and we'll adjust that as we go. But some of those of you who already know how to play GCD or other chords, you probably want to know a little more, which is the music theory part of it. And even beginner probably would want to know that from the beginning if you can. So if you happen to print out the sheet of music, it's usually four chords combination of mixed in different way. The key of G was a G, C, D, E minor, and key of C will be C, F, G, A minor. And those are the two examples that I can show. But you can use your capo to change the key by using same shape of the chords. For G chord, you can just move it up, and the A chord, and then keep moving up B, C, D, E, F, G chord. So uh, you don't actually have to learn all the chords beyond the four chords you already know. And I'll get into the details how you use that, be able to play the song that matches your voice or matches the recording as well. Third thing is the rhythm. In the beginning, you think it's the note that makes the music, but it's actually the rhythm that makes the music. For another good, easy example would be the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I'm not changing any chords, and I'm playing just one chords, but the difference is if I play in the wrong rhythm, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now, if you happen to play in wrong rhythm of the singing, then it doesn't sound like music. So actually, we'll be working on that. You already know the chords, then how do you get the rhythms to be more gone close? And if you make the rhythm a little bit more fun, then the music gets more fun. So it's not so much in the chord, but it's in the rhythm. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a reggae style. So those three elements I'm going to be covering overall, and we can get into a little more detail as well as we have a time, maybe have a time left, or if you like also separate private lesson that we can arrange as well. So I hope this seminar will give you a good overview of how guitar works, how music work, and I hope you guys see there this upcoming Sunday. Thank you.